Hello and welcome. I am Thamizharasu, a business coach, and today, we will delve into the critical world of production and operations management. This is a pivotal aspect of any business, regardless of the industry, as it is responsible for creating the goods and services that allow a business to thrive. Ready to gain some invaluable insights? Let's get started. 1. Understanding the basics of production and operations management. Production and operations management involves planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling all the resources needed to produce a company's goods and services. It's about ensuring processes run smoothly, efficiently, and cost-effectively. This aspect of business is like a well-oiled machine, keeping everything in sync and on schedule. 2. The role and importance of production and operations management in business. Production and operations management plays a vital role in business by ensuring that operations are efficient in terms of using resources, effective in terms of meeting customer requirements, and flexible in adapting to changes. It is the backbone of any business, contributing to its overall profitability and sustainability. 3. Key elements of an effective production and operations management strategy. Developing a successful strategy involves various key elements, like process design, location, layout, capacity planning, job design, and quality management. Being adept in managing these will lead to better productivity, lower costs, improved customer satisfaction, and ultimately, business success. 4. Techniques and tools for managing production and operations efficiently. There are several techniques and tools that can be used to manage operations effectively, including lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, total quality management, and ERP systems. These tools aim to eliminate waste, reduce variation, improve quality, and integrate data across all operations. 5. Exploring the relationship between production and operations management and supply chain. Understanding the connection between production and operations management and the supply chain is significant as these two areas are interrelated. Both aim to ensure that the right products are delivered to the right places at the right time. They work hand in hand to deliver value to customers and stakeholders. 6. Applying lean principles in production and operations management. Lean principles can help streamline processes, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. It's all about efficiency and value. Lean principles focus on eliminating waste and non-value adding activities. This ensures that every aspect of the operation contributes positively to the end product or service. This approach focuses on maximizing customer value while minimizing waste, creating more value with fewer resources. 7. The impact of technological advancements on production and operations management. Technology has greatly impacted this field. From automation and robotics to AI and IoT. These advancements have revolutionized how operations are managed, leading to increased efficiency, reduced errors, and enhanced productivity. 8. The role of quality control in production and operations management. Quality control is incredibly important. It's about ensuring that the goods and services produced meet specific quality standards. Embracing quality control in production and operations management ensures that the value provided to customers is consistent and high. This not only helps businesses to retain their existing customers but also attract new ones, contributing to long-term growth and success. 9. How to implement sustainable practices in production and operations management. Sustainability should be at the heart of operations management. This involves resource conservation, waste reduction, and environmentally friendly practices. It's not just good for the planet, it's good for the business too. 10. Case study: Successful production and operations management strategies in leading companies. Toyota, the Japanese automotive manufacturer, is a prime example of effective production and operations management. Its Toyota Production System, TPS, is globally recognized for its lean manufacturing methodology that aims to reduce waste, while improving efficiency and productivity. Key to TPS is the concept of Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Under this, Toyota empowers all employees to suggest minor improvements in their work area. Apple is renowned for its superior product design and quality. A crucial part of its success lies in its meticulous operations management, particularly in quality control. Apple places immense value on the functionality, aesthetics, and reliability of its products. It achieves this by having stringent quality control measures in place throughout its production process, resulting in products that consistently meet high-quality standards. A comprehensive overview of production and operations management. Remember, efficient and effective operations are the key to business success. Stay tuned for our deep dives into each of these topics in upcoming videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.